Hey YouTube, Shadow Vampire here with a DIY using glitter. For this glitter makeup DIY, you will need fine glitter, a container. I have this little jar, some petroleum jelly, and you might need some liquid to dilute it. I have isopropyl and hydrogen peroxide. So, first off, you add the petroleum jelly. Now I'm gonna stuff that to the bottom. Then I add the glitter. And mix it up. Now I will add the liquids to get it to the right consistency. Okay, I think I added a little too much liquid, so I'm gonna put in some more jelly. Okay, I think I'm done with the process of making it. This got really messy, which is no surprise. You might want to melt it if you could, just so that the ingredients could mix a little better. But now we are going to try this stuff. Okay, I was kind of hoping that it could work like a eyeshadow, and it might still work like that. I don't know, but it looks like it'll work better as a lipstick, so I'm gonna do that first. So it works a little more like a gloss, not really like a lipstick, which is great because I prefer gloss. It might be difficult to see on camera, but it looks amazing in person. Now I am going to see how it works as eyeshadow. yeah, it looks pretty good. Here's another use for it. Hair glitter. Bye guys. So this DIY was kind of a mess. I definitely do not recommend using isopropyl like I did. Because for one, it burns, and also it's a major health hazard. And since this was my first time making this stuff, it of course got really messy, but I was just trying something out. Hope you liked the video, and bye.
Tick tock, tick rock! Fuck you, you got lose a fucking mark! I don't give a fuck about you, tick tock! You couldn't save my